Yeah, this is definitely exciting and a need of the hour. A lot of work coming in India way, and there's a lot of opportunity. And as you know, everything is happening so fast, right? In such scenario, venture studios like this would be definitely helpful, and they would be seeding ideas, is what I understood, and that will create a lot of opportunity for India as well as the entire ecosystem. Challenge is obviously that identifying the right opportunity is one, and then also the access to the data. So that's going to be the problem. And definitely, I also would like to know how Mirai will solve those problems into the future, and would definitely like to understand that as we go along. Yeah, so we are with the Dallas Venture Capital, right? So we invest in B2B enterprise software companies, and our focus is AI, and we already have invested in more than 35 companies between US, India, and our India fund has invested in more than 7 companies. So we typically look for companies which are already at Series A stage with a $500,000 to $1 million recurring revenue, solving real problems and having big logos as customers. So what we see is Mirai is going to be very helpful for us from a pipeline perspective for our own opportunities that we will be looking for. And we look forward to partnering with Mirai in that sense. And if Mirai can identify right problems and incubate them and bring them to a PMF stage with the good customers, we would definitely like to partner with those companies. Yeah, I think this event that we are attending today, the GCC Summit itself is a big one, right? So basically, the good part about India, what we think at DBC is we are at stage 4 of IT revolution, right? And IT evolution started with services. Now we are having 1500 GCCs in India, and the people in India now they are going to the leadership stage in all GCCs, and they are thinking about world problems and solving them from India. So this gives a huge opportunity for Mirai and even funds like us, where our portfolio companies are going to work with the GCCs in India. So having that global vision and identifying the problems which are global and solving them in India, build local, grow global, will be the right approach in my view. Yeah, my thing is identify the right problems and work with real PMF, right? To achieve real PMF and identifying the right ICP. I think all these things you already mentioned in your leadership, which gave the talk in the morning. So I think you are in the right path. We look forward for looking at some of the companies coming from your portfolio to our side.